Today we're going to talk about the second major component of a direct marketing offer, which is the offer. And we're also going to talk about numbers and measurement. So the agenda basically is first we will talk about offers, and then I'm going to discuss two experiences I've had with 1-800-Flowers.com. And through those real experiences and things I will share with you, you will be exposed to measurement principles with direct marketing. So, what is an offer? Why do we use them? I like to start with definitions, so we did with databases. So, this is what an offer is. An offer is different from an offering in marketing. An offer is a specific value proposition, often combined with a time limit geared to produce a response. The offering is everything that you're putting out there. So it's the product. It's consumer reviews if you have those. It's the price. It's any guarantees. It is the actual offer. But what we're talking about today is offers. Not every ad has an offer, but every ad does have an offering. So I like to put it this way. An offer is an incentive to get you to move when you would not normally be ready to move down the purchase funnel. Remember this that I show pretty frequently. And so there are two basic kinds of offers, two buckets you can put offers into. One is directed at new customers, one is directed at people who have bought from us. So the first kind of offer directed at new customers is a trial, call them trial offers. And they're calculated to reduce the risk and to add an incentive, often a time limit, to get you to make a decision and do something. Loyalty offers are very different. These are to reward multiple purchase, to reward your second purchase, which is a very important one to get from a customer who's bought once. So these are points programs and special privileges programs that you earn as you increasingly show your loyalty to the product or service. So two kinds, basic kinds of offers: trial offers and loyalty offers. Okay. These are kind of it's another way of looking at the purchase funnel. So a customer goes from being not aware of your product or service, then they may have seen one ad or two, they're barely, or some public relations, and they're barely aware of the product or service. Then they see some more ads or public relations or communications that you've put out, and you become aware of what the product does. You're increasingly persuaded that it's actually going to do it because you see some proof of some kind. You're perceiving a brand character, and this meets a need of yours somehow, this product or service. And there's a click, and you want to find out more. You might want to try it. You do want to try it. And all of a sudden, I'm going to order it now. And then you either try the product and you don't like it, you try the product and you sort of like it, or you try it and you love it. And if you try it and you love it, you're going to become loyal, and eventually move towards advocacy. Now, where in here in all these steps do I use offers? Where do I use offers to accelerate and move the customer? Here's another way of putting it. And once again, it's different for prospects and current customers. What does MVC stand for? Most valuable customer. So we're going to watch a little TV. You're going to see lots of offers in this infomercial. It's an old one, and you're going to hopefully find it kind of funny, but the hairdo is funny. But boy, you're going to get a good look at a lot of offers. And other things other than offers to persuade you and reduce the risk of purchasing. Okay, now that's direct marketing. Okay, might be pretty, but it's direct. Whoa. Okay. That one, I should have checked it. I'm very sorry, but that was a video from one of the very first Saturday Night Live episodes in the 70s with Dan Aykroyd doing a takeoff in a direct response ad for something called the Bass-O-Matic. I'm sure you could find it somewhere on YouTube, but NBC Universal told them to stop. So anyway, how many offers did you see in the pasta maker ad? You got gifts with purchase. You got easy payments, uh, 3 easy payments. You got special pricing after they establish the value with here's what you would expect it to cost. And how many offers did you count? Okay, so this is more or less a rule of thumb. Sending to the right people with the right offer is most of the success of a direct marketing effort. Here are the characteristics of an effective offer: believability, involvement, creativity. And what I always like to say is you need to think about the offer. You need to think about the customer and his or her mindset, and ask yourself if the offer would make you change your mind, would make you act. Establish objectives, okay, and decide attractiveness, reduce the risk. Here are 9 components of the offer, and these are trial and loyalty. So I would say this was more the offering, and I'm actually going to, you guys are going to bear with me here while I futz around. I'm sorry. I just want to make a point. And that's my point.